Hello everyone, this is Moses from ZAATARGARDENS. I want to do a quick video to thank all my Australian subscribers and Australian viewers. On a consistent basis, Australia, or the viewers of Australia, have been either the second or third most watched country on my channel. And that's saying a lot because I get a lot of views from India, and that's consistently on second place. In the United States is first. But Australia just keeps beating India, then they go back and forth, back and forth. And then I did a little research today, which I always really do, on Google Trends or my analytics, keyword research. Any way I could research to improve my channel, I'll do it on a consistent basis. And right now you're going to see on the screen, over the past month and over the past 365 days, of where Australia ranks per watch time on my channel. And now I'm going to show you why that might be. If I go into Google Trends and search gardening, look at the difference between United States graph and Australia's graph. A huge dip in the United States right in the middle of basically a non-existent drop in viewership for the term gardening. But look at Australia, just consistent. So in Australia, you guys are really primo gardeners, or there are many gardeners per capita compared to the United States and Australia, which is amazing. So just thought that was really cool to share. And once again, I'd like to thank all the subscribers of Australia and the viewers from Australia and the shares that I get from Australia. And of course, I want to thank everyone else in the world as well. But this video was about Australia. Happy gardening.
Okay, like, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching, everyone.